Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. Momentum. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Oh, yep, it feels great to be back here at Valhalla Trail. Just never gets old at this trail. Second time here. As a warm-up, just gonna hit this little mini gap jump right here. It's a pretty decent size. It's like 2 bike lengths long. This is my favorite feature of this entire trail. It's not even part of the trail. It's like at the very beginning. Yes. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. Nice. Love it. Okay, let's go down. Really slippery there. Oh shit. This one gets to me. Oh, here we go. I don't know about this one. I might work my way up to that. I'm just not feeling it. Okay, here we go. Check out this one. Nice. Let me check this one out. Oh yeah, I definitely got that on videos. It makes it look like going over a small puddle or something. No. Definitely not a small puddle. Alright, let me get it. Oh shit. Okay, let's do it. Yeah. Nice. Damn, that was sick.
You kind of hesitated at the end.
I know.
But you braked a little bit right before you took off.
Yeah, I was trying to gauge my speed because at first I thought I wasn't getting enough speed, but at the very end I got a little bit more speed.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, it looks kind of sketchy. So.
Yeah. I honestly don't remember every single feature, how big everything is. Oh shit. Needed more speed for that. Okay, I'm not a pro rider, so forgive me guys. But the tech part comes. Okay. Yes. Hell yeah. Yes. More tech. Oh yeah, I think I know this one. Let's do it. Yes. Damn. Sick. Okay, here we go. Okay, always good. Man, this is so steep in person, you can't even imagine. Look at this. Okay. This part I have to get enough momentum. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, this part, momentum Yes. Okay, there we go. Oh, so sandy here. Okay, another tech part. Okay. Yes. Sandy here too. Get this jump. Let's get it. Yes. Another one, I think. Yes. I don't know about this one. I don't know if it is a jump out. Yeah. Amazing. Here we are. Yeah, good jump. See, I knew that jump, so that's why I did it. Okay, here we are. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God, dude. So much brake action. Okay. Yes. Yeah, amazing. Okay, here we are. Yes. Yeah. Wow, dude. This is the craziest trail I've ever been on. Nice.
That was pretty cool, but that was...
Yeah, I'm still hesitating on some parts. Do I hear another round of this or what? No, I'm kidding. Still a damn good trail around the area.
Yeah, just a lot of... I don't remember all those powdery sections.
I know, it got more powdery.
Yeah, because I was all what the... That was good though.
It really was good. Man.